Unnecessary if. Two kinds of mistakes are very common with if statements. The first common mistake is using an if statement when a conditional expression is fine on its own. A statement is a single line of code that performs an action or operation in Python. Statements can include assignments, example, assigning a value to a variable, loops, example for loops or while loops, conditionals, example, if statements, and function calls. Each statement typically ends with a new line character. Expression. An expression is a combination of values, variables, operators, and calls to functions that the program evaluates and returns a single value. For example, consider the following function definition that returns true if the parameter is greater than 60 or otherwise return false. The conditional expression already evaluates to either true or false, so it was unnecessary to use an if statement. Instead, you can directly return the result of the conditional expression as demonstrated in the second part of the example. You do not need to use if statement if you are returning true and false. Let's go over definition. Function definition. A function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. It's like a mini program within a program that you can run whenever you need it. Definition. The part of the code where a function, class, or variable is declared and given a specific meaning or value. A parameter is a value that is passed into a function or method when it's called. It allows the function to perform specific action or calculations based on the provided input. Parameters act as a placeholders for data that can be customized each time the function is used. Def check senior age is assigned integer and gives the type boolean. This if statement is unnecessary. So if age is above 60, return true, else return false. Exactly equivalent to def check senior age in it returns boolean or type boolean, and return age 60, age bigger than 60. Okay. Unnecessary test. Boolean, a data type that has one of two possible values, true or false. For example, the statement 5 is bigger than 3 would return true. Expression. An expression is a combination of values, variables, operators, and calls to functions that the program evaluates and returns a single value. Python, a high-level embedded programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It supports multiple programming paradigms and has a large standard library. Value. A value is the data stored in a variable or returned by an expression. It can be a number, text, list, or any other type of data. String. A sequence of characters. In Python, strings are created by enclosing characters in quotes. For example, hello world is a string. A second common mistake is to test if Boolean expression is equal to true. Although the following expression, age is greater or equal 5, is assigned to true, makes sense in English, it's redundant in Python. Redundant means überflüssig. And what überflüssig means, I don't know. So unnecessary probably. Age is greater than 5 already evaluates to either true or false. If you compare a Boolean value to true, then the result is the same Boolean value. Nothing is accomplished. You have simply made your code more complex. It's just like adding 0 or multiplying by 1 or adding the empty string to a string. Literally nothing happens. True would become true and false would become false. Def check toddler age integer. The is assigned or equals true part is redundant. Return age is greater or equal 5 equals true. Def check total age integer, much better. Return age is greater or equal 5. Okay. Summary. If an if statement can be nested inside of a if statement, allowing for more complex flow, an if statement. An if statement can also be nested inside of a function definition. Each time you nest a body inside another body, you increase the indentation of the resulting body by 4 spaces. Each if statement introduces a new branch in the code, regardless of whether there is an else body. An elif body can be added after an if or existing elif statement. An elif is used to introduce another branch in the code with a separate condition. The body of the elif will only be executed if the prior if and elif statement did not execute. Chained if statements are not equivalent to elif statements. However, elif statements are equivalent to else statements that have an if statement inside their body. Special care must be taken to determine if statement belongs before, after, or inside of a body, which is determined by the amount of indentation. If a function returns a Boolean value, an if statement is very unnecessary compared to just directly returning the conditional. If a conditional expression tests whether a value is equal to Boolean literal value, true, that test can often be removed since it has no effect on the outcome of the conditional.